You filming? So we're doing a full wrap on this BMW M2 competition. And apparently from the factory, or maybe a port install, they installed this spoiler crooked. So I told the customer, just for liability reasons, I feel like they probably did this because they were hiding something. Maybe the car got scratched or something else like that. I said, please take it back to BMW and have them reinstall the spoiler. Then I'll happily take it back off and put it back on, you know, when we do our PPF install. And apparently he already did that, and the dealer did not want to take it off because they were afraid there's damage under here. So wish me luck. It's gonna take a while. I'll be here for a long time. You can stop filming whenever you feel like it, Alex. Come back in a couple hours and check on this. What's up, it's Joe with OC Detailing, and behind me I have a BMW M2 competition. This is a really cool car. They just made a couple renditions on these that separate it from the last year's M2, so it's got a different bumper. I believe it's got better suspension, a little bit different wheels. all in all, it's going to be faster around a racetrack, and with a car like that, you're going to want to protect it. So our customer brought this in after checking out a lot of shops and watching some of our videos, and he decided to go with a full wrap on this car. Well, when we do a full wrap, we want to go nuts on the car, so we're going to do a full paint correction first, which got rid of some of the factory swirl marks and stuff on this car. After that, we did a 100% custom install of STEK DYNOShield. This is a 10-year PPF. We wrapped and tucked everything in as much as we can. This is a custom install on the front bumper. This was actually a really difficult car to get all these edges down on, but it came out really great. So we finished it up with CQuartz Finest Reserve on the paint, the wheels, glass, and the trim. And also, just to keep you cool while you're driving, we had 3M crystalline window tint on the car. All in all, the car came out great, and it's going to stay that way with nothing more than washing. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing. Please subscribe for more videos.